The markets are starting to heat up and it can be challenging to trade in these markets. I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017 and one of the most important strategies that I have found is being early in different narratives. Narratives have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency markets, whether that means tokenization, payments, meme coins, right? One of the narratives that I think is going to do exceptionally well is artificial intelligence. And so, let's go ahead and get right into the video. If you enjoy this type of content, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And let's go ahead and jump right into it here. Now, if we take a look at this chart, we're taking a look at the overall market for altcoins. We can see that altcoins have not had a massive move since about 2021, over 4 years ago. And so, we could be seeing this happen here, and I do think we will see this shift once Bitcoin pushes a little bit higher. We will see money start falling back into altcoins, and that is when we need to start paying attention to different narratives. Now, there are many different tools out there that you can use to help you with your research, and I'm going to be going over those as well. And so, this is definitely something to be paying attention to, and so let's go ahead and take a look at this. As I mentioned, AI I think is going to be a hot narrative here over the next few months, and a reason for that is WorldCoin here sells 135 million in WLD tokens to A16Z in Bain Capital Crypto. Now this just happened last week, right? WorldCoin is a crypto startup co-founded by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. And so, AI is going to be a hot sector. This is definitely something to be paying attention to. And so while we're talking about AI, I want to talk about Crypticorn here, which is an AI trading platform. And so, I think this will do exceptionally well. Their token is launching tomorrow on Pink Sale here, so I will have this link underneath the video if you're interested. As I mentioned, it launches in about 20 hours from filming, and so they will be launching their pre-sale to purchase their token. And so you do need to hold their token to use the trading bot, and so I'm going to be going over all of the details on that and the benefits to using the platform. And so I think this is very well put together, and I am excited for the future of the token and the platform. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on this here. As we can see, this transparent profitability, security. And so you can see this is very well put together prior to them launching their token. And I think that is very promising. And so this is also going to be launching on the BNB chain here as well. You can see that as well. And so if we take a look at BNB, we can see this is holding up very well, right? We can see this is almost pushing new all-time highs. And so with this launching on the BNB chain, I think that's very promising as well, right? In comparison to Ethereum, that's trading around $2,500, right? We have BNB still pushing new all-time highs. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on the platform here. So why should you choose Crypticorn, right? They have accessibility, simply investing, removing barriers. There's a lot of different options on the platform. Whether you're looking for passive income or you're day trading, you can set a lot of the preferences to your trading preferences. And so, we can see this is fully automated, there's risk management, and you only pay your performance fees for the AI trading agents when you earn profits with them, right? Rather than paying a upfront fee or a monthly subscription fee, you are only paying fees on the successful profitable trades. And so, this is different than any other AI trading bot that I have seen. Now, something else that I think is very interesting is you don't send funds anywhere. They stay in your exchange account, and Crypticorn securely connects through API keys, giving you full control over everything, right? And so they are partnering with some massive exchanges and working on integrating this directly into the exchange. And so that's something else that is different, right? Rather than having to transfer all your funds from an exchange that you are currently holding them on, you can integrate this platform. And so, there's a lot of information. If we go ahead and take a look at this as well, here's some of the exchanges that they're working with. We can see Bybit is coming soon. They have Hyperliquid. They have BingX, they have KuCoin, and they have BitGet as well coming soon. And so, as I mentioned, there's a lot of different settings as well. You could have momentum, mean revision, breakout, scalping. And so, you can tailor this to your needs, right? With how you trade today. And so, as I mentioned, you can buy the AIC tokens here to get access through the pre-sale. And so definitely something worth checking out, right? This may be the cheapest price for the token during the pre-sale. As more and more people start to use this service and find a lot of benefits to using it, more and more people will be buying the tokens, which will increase the value. And so it's definitely something to keep in mind if you are interested in using this. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the prediction dashboard. This is one of their 3 products here. They have AI trading agents, and then they have their decentralized AI trading as well. And so the prediction dashboard here, right? AI predicts, you trade, you win. And so as I mentioned, they're only benefiting here if they are correct, right? And so it is in their best interest to make sure they provide the most accurate information to become profitable. If you are profitable, that's how they make money. And so we can see they take a lot of different things into account here. They're taking into account socials. They're taking into account chart patterns. Everything is being accounted for with this software. And so you can see a lot of different tokens are going to be on here as well. You can see a look at their dashboard. And so find the perfect entry, find the perfect exit. It is more than just a crypto indicator, right? There's technical analysis, news, tweets, sentiment analysis, combined into one powerful prediction. And so let's go ahead and take a look at another product here, which is their DEX AI Trading platform. And so a lot of smaller tokens are listed on decentralized exchanges, right? We're talking ERC20 tokens. And in the future, they will support Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and Base Chain tokens as well. And so you can go ahead and say goodbye to decentralized applications, right? Unlocking data should not require navigating complex decentralized applications. You can simplify your access with a single command. And so using this platform here, you can do that as well. They have AI-based predictions. They can determine if a project is a scam. They can look at a lot of the different wallets and determine if those are linked together, right? To find out if the project is maybe holding 90% of the token supply and they may be dumping on the people that are buying. And so it is evaluating all of this information. We can see some of the results here on different meme coins, right? We have 12x, 15x, a 10x return, 20x. And so they've had very good success with this as well. And so if you're into meme coins, this may be a good tool to look into as well. And so they have a lot of information on here. I think this is definitely going to be something very exciting with their fair launch happening tomorrow. And so if you're interested in buying this during the pre-sale here, you can go ahead and check that out, right? They have a lot of different partnerships. It is a proprietary AI technology that is going to be impossible to copy. They have been building this product for 3 years. This is not something that they just developed. However, I think it is coming just in time when we start seeing a lot of meme coins or altcoins starting to move, right? This is where this type of trading platform becomes beneficial, right? Is understanding narratives. This may be helpful to understand the different narratives. It's going to identify those narratives. And so if you're newer to crypto, right? I've been around in crypto since 2017, and I am very good at identifying narratives. However, this could be a tool here that is very beneficial. And so let's go ahead and take a look at their Twitter here as well. And so if you're interested in following them there, I definitely recommend that. I will post a link underneath the video as well. And so we can go ahead and take a look at this video clip here of their dashboard as well. You can see all the different information that's on here. They have a lot of different tokens as well. And so you can just see how well this is put together, right? It shows where we may be heading, if there's bullish sentiment or not, right? It helps you make those educated decisions, right? It may not get you all the way there. Now, you're the one that has to hit buy or sell, right? If you are in an AI trade, another thing with this platform is you have the option to sell or buy, right? You can close out the trade early if you want, right? If you're not feeling confident in the decisions that are being made by the AI trading platform. And so there's a lot of benefits to using this. I definitely recommend checking it out. I do want to thank Crypticorn for sponsoring this video, and I hope you found this information to be helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.